right, so Madam Kate, good evening to you. Thank you very much for being a part of this meeting. I know you have had some success in AURUM Foundation. So tell us, how interesting has this journey been? What excites you, and what do you see about the future of AURUM Foundation?
AURUM is really, really fantastic. I joined, I believed the very day it was mentioned to me. I am the person that was craving to get extra money because of responsibility that fell on my shoulder. And I was curious, joined Royal Q in the tension of trading and making money in order to meet up with this responsibility. My upline there couldn't teach me. I had to call my mentor, my big super coach, because he was training people then. I saw it on the platform. People were making a lot of, noise that they are making money, they are having breakthrough. So I decided to. And then, after payment, my mentor was busy. I called him Alpha. He said, no, 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 no. That he's busy doing something new and he wants to get into. And I said, what is that? He said, oh yes, 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 man, you can really you can join. And while you are earning, then you will learn later. I said, no problem, but I don't have money. You know, the excitement in because I have small money in my Binance. I was already depleting. He looked at it and we started with 120. At least I started. I was happy when the cents, small, small cents, 50 cents was coming in. I was super happy because it's an additional income. I'm a civil servant. I go to work and come back. I have money. At least I've gone far in civil service. I have one promotion to get to the end and thereafter retire. What do I do next? So I was eager. And with the additional responsibility, I was really curious to know. And when I started getting money and somebody was added to me and on my to my as a downline, I got the $75. I wanted to hit the roof of my house. I was so excited. I was so happy. It was everywhere. Even at the office, I was excited. What is that? You are smiling too much this morning. I said, look at my stories. I will just give my testimony immediately to the person. I will share the good news. He said, come, 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 come. I want to know what this thing is all about. Come and tell me. We went inside the office. I briefed him. He joined. I got another money again. I said, yes, 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 this thing is really worth doing. And let me really listen to the meetings. I started attending meetings every day. I was eager as usual. I hit Voyager. It was $100. Oh my God. I don't want to. I don't share everybody. Now I sing the song every day to anybody. Even if we are gisting, hey, look, there's something anything that I'm discussing now revolves around Aurum. It has become, they now call me Aurum lady in my office. I say, I don't care. In as much as this thing is any money, it's bringing me money. Now I can even pay the children's school fees without stress. Before, my family members were helping me to pay the school fees. It was a shame. I was not really happy that, yeah, I'm happy that they are helping me as family, but I'm not happy that I cannot carry the responsibility that I have. I'm not that type of person that wants people to really help me, like pity me and all that when the whole thing happened. But today, as at 2 terms away, I was able to pay these 9 children's school fees. My God, I'm so like, when I'm even going to work now, people knows from my step that something new has happened. I'm happy. Which day, 3 days now, I can earn up to $500. In a week, I get 1,000. Someone that cannot pay children's school fees before. What is $1,000? That's 1.3 million or 1.4 million. I'm happy. I'm really happy. So I'm happy that I joined AURUM, and I continue to tell people, continue to meet them. My boss registered because of this, because I'm everywhere. My boss registered. He registered with 5,000. It's not that I got to 5,000 and I said, no, I cannot be in the same level with you and earning a referrals, and you'll still be having the same thing lesser. I mean, I'll be having lesser than you. No, 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 I know. He just added money and it was compounding. Added money and make it 10,000. Now he wants, by this holiday, he's bringing his wife and his children in, bringing them on board because I mentioned it. So I'm happy. Thank you very much, Coach. I appreciate you for exposing around to me. However, I remain indebted to you for this great privilege that you made me to see. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, man, for sharing your testimonial. And when you said remove stress, I felt it in my body. I felt it in my body because may God lift you to the next ranks. May you keep having growth beyond your
Amen.
imagination. May your
Amen.
income increase 10 times over the next few months.
Amen.
So thank you very much for
Amen.
your
Thank
belief
you
in
very
Oral
much, sir.
Foundation. And I remember I told you, Cop, let's do this oral first, then you can learn gradually how to trade.
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much for being a part of the journey. What a life
Thank you,
changing
sir.
moment. Thank you very much, man.
All right, sir.